Welcome, viewers, to our guide on the 5 best sewing machines of the year. Join us as we explore the top-tier options that will revolutionize your sewing experience. Let's dive in and discover the perfect machine to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Singer 4411 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Introducing the Singer 4411 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine with 11 built-in stitches, adjustable needle position, and a durable metal frame. This powerhouse is perfect for beginners and seasoned sewists. Its high-speed stitching and adjustable presser foot control make it a must-have. Upgrade your crafting game with the Singer 4411 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Number 4. Mini Sewing Machine. This sewing kit includes 32 bobbins, scissors, needles, a threader, thimble, and seam ripper. Perfect for beginners, it offers a single straight stitch mode and tutorial videos for easy learning. The foot controller and adapter ensure fast mending, while its wide application allows for sewing pet clothes, shopping bags, and more. Remember to read the manual and watch videos for guidance. With its compact design and comprehensive kit, this mini sewing machine is a must-have for any craft lover. Number 3. Janome Sewing Machine. Introducing the Janome Sewing Machine in white. With 30 stitches, computerized buttons, a removable storage compartment, drop feed function, and 820 stitches per minute, it's a game changer for your sewing projects. Upgrade your sewing experience today. Subscribe, and let us know your thoughts below. Happy sewing! Number 2. The Janome Sewing Machine boasts a sleek white design and is perfect for beginners and experienced sewers. It features an automatic needle threader and a convenient drop-in top bobbin. No more jams! On the other hand, the Brother SE600 is a powerhouse. With 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery fonts, your creativity knows no bounds. Plus, it has a large color touchscreen for easy design preview. Number 1. Juki TL2000 Kai Sewing and Quilting Machine. It's got updated LED lights, one pedal operation, 1500 stitches per minute, automatic needle threader, and a sturdy aluminum construction. Plus, it comes with an extension table for a wider work area. Get ready to elevate your sewing game with the TL2000 Kai. We've reached the end of this awesome video. If you found it helpful or entertaining, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll be part of our fantastic community, and you'll never miss out on our future content. So don't hesitate, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Thank you for your support, and we'll catch you in the next video.